Want to see how easy it is to put pivot pegs on? It's so easy, even a girl can do it. Okay, let's check our packaging out here. Open it up and pull out all of our parts. The only tool you might need is a screwdriver. It's going to help you remove that E-clip. While you're removing that, there's a pin in there and you're going to kind of have to fight that spring. It's a little tight. To help release that spring tension, you're going to kind of wiggle and pull. Alright, got that off. Save your pin. Alright, time for the new one. Push that in. You're going to get a little resistance. Going to have to fight that spring. So it's having a really hard time getting that spring lined up. So make sure you look at this picture to know that the right way to put that spring in. Put your E-clip back on. That's a comparison of the old to the new. And ta-da, you're done.